Hi, welcome to the University Librarian channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to create an annotated bibliography. An annotated bibliography contains the bibliographic information for the source you used, a brief summary, a critical evaluation, and your notes on its relevance to your research question. If you apply these four components consistently to your note-taking, they will help you build a comprehensive overview of your research journey. There are 5 steps to creating an annotated bibliography. Step 1. You need to identify the sources that will potentially answer your research question. Step 2. Create a reference entry for each source you have identified during your search process and list the full bibliographic details. Step 3. Read the source and make notes. Think about how the information relates to your research question. Step 4. Write a summary of the source which captures the main ideas and arguments. Step 5. Assess the credibility of the source. Consider its strengths, weaknesses, relevance, and reliability. Creating an annotated bibliography can be a little time-consuming at the start of the process as you are developing the skills to create the annotations, but it is a worthwhile investment in time. It's a useful tool that isn't just for academic assignments. Used regularly, it will allow you to develop your critical thinking skills, demonstrate the evolution of your academic thinking, and become a trustworthy source of notes for you to use in the future. At universitylibrarian.com, we've tools to help you create your annotated bibliography. Check out the links in the video description for more information. Thanks for joining us today.